Welcome. In front of me is a T-Mobile T-Phone 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, so it's already open. And from there, simply hold the power key and volume down at the same time. There we go, you get this pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment it will disappear. There we go. Now, whenever you capture your screenshot, it gets automatically saved to your Photos application. So over the time, you can probably see that you will find a bunch of screenshots in here. Now, hopefully you can also see our... there we go. So under search, we have our categories, or catalogs as it's called right here, and you'll find screenshots. And in here, you will see only the screenshots. As you can see, I have a bunch of them over the time. I believe these are all also from different phones, but this is the one that I've captured on the video right now. So there we go. So that is how you can capture a screenshot and also where you can find it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.